Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crème brûlée without an oven. First, gather your ingredients: heavy cream, egg yolks, sugar, and vanilla extract. Ensure you have heat-proof ramekins and a large pot with a lid ready. A kitchen torch is also essential for the final step. This method is surprisingly simple and yields delicious results, perfect for any occasion. Let's start with the custard. In a bowl, whisk your egg yolks and sugar together until the mixture is light and creamy. Meanwhile, gently heat your heavy cream with vanilla in a saucepan until it's warm but not boiling. Slowly pour the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Finally, strain the custard to remove any solids, ensuring a perfectly smooth base. Now for the stovetop cooking. Carefully pour your strained custard into individual heat-proof ramekins. Place these ramekins into a large pot, adding about 1 inch of water to create a water bath. Cover the pot with a lid and steam cook over low heat. The custards will be ready when they are just set, which usually takes around 20 minutes. They should still have a slight jiggle in the center. The final, satisfying step is creating that iconic brûlée topping. Once your custards are cooked, chill them in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until completely cold. Just before serving, sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over each custard. Use a kitchen torch to melt and caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, golden brown, crisp, glass-like topping. Enjoy immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.